Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy lecture series. Today we are diving deep into covariance which would be helpful for data science, AI and machine learning. Now what is covariance? So covariance measures the relationship between two random variables x and y. It may be random or deterministic both. In our case, we are working with deterministic variable. So the formula of covariance is co x comma y that is equal to 1 upon n summation from I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar, where xi's are observations, x bar is mean of all observations, yi is observations and y bar is mean of all y's. But first, here an important note. If the means of x and y, that is x bar and y, are not integers, then the calculation of covariance become quite cumbersome. That's why understanding the formula and simplifying it step by step is so important. So whether you are a data scientist or AI engineer or ML engineer or just want to grasp the basics of statistics, you are in the right place. So let's start. So if you expand the terms covariance, so you will get the following expression. The summation from I is equal to 1 to n 1 upon n xi yi xi y bar x bar yi plus x bar y bar, and see that summation will apply over all the terms. So simplify further. So summation will get distributed over all the expressions and we will get the following expression. Since summation over from I is equal to 1 to n 1 is equal to n, so this becomes covariance, and the right side you can see the expression. Now if you combine the terms, because see that here x bar y bar will cancel from 1 x bar and y bar, so we will left with this expression, and you can say that covariance xy 1 upon n summation from I to n xi yi minus 1 upon n separately I is equal to 1 to n xi and 1 upon n I from 1 to n yi. So this is the simplified formula, and even if you can say that means or averages of xi and yi are not integers, it would be easy to calculate covariance. So the covariance formula can be interpreted as mean of the product of values of x and y minus product of means of x and y. Very simple. So this simplifies formula that helps each computation, provides insights into the relationship between x and y. And for a more resources and videos like PDF, images, you can reach PostNetwork Academy website for more videos, YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn page. And if you have liked the video, make sure to subscribe. If you are on YouTube, And if you are on Facebook, so follow the page. If you are on LinkedIn, so follow the page and like it. And thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.